Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Metamask Wallet Mobile. Open the app and choose Create a new wallet or import wallet using seed phrase. Then write the seed phrase on paper and store it offline. Next, set a strong password and enable biometric unlock. Finally, review permission requests when connecting to dApps and always double-check addresses before sending funds to avoid scams. To receive crypto, open Metamask Mobile, select your account, and tap Copy to share your address safely with the sender, making sure the correct network is selected first. If someone sends tokens you do not see, tap Import Tokens and add the token contract address. Always confirm incoming transfers in your transaction history and enable notifications for incoming transactions to stay informed about deposits to your wallet. When sending funds, paste the recipient address and double-check every character and network to prevent loss. Choose a gas fee that balances cost and confirmation speed, then review the estimated total. If swapping tokens, use Metamask Mobile's swap feature to compare offers, set a max slippage tolerance, and confirm the trade details. Confirm each transaction in the wallet and save receipts or screenshots for your records in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.